Hi, this is Agalya from second year pharmacy at SNS CPHS Coimbatore. Here we are going to see about the business model canvas of Pfizer Incorporated. With annual sale of over rupees 2000 crores, it is the fourth largest multinational pharmaceutical company in India. The company has a portfolio of over 150 products across 15 therapeutic areas. Here are some links to refer from MNC and startup companies. Let's know in detail about Pfizer. CEO of Pfizer is Albert Bourla. It is located in New York with 10,001 employees. The URL given gives us all. The 7 industry verticals are agriculture and food, healthcare, energy, aerospace and defense, automobiles, fintech, smart city, innovating and technologies, augmented and virtual reality, internet of things, AL and ML data analysis, robotics and automation, activity manufacturing. Pfizer comes under healthcare in industry verticals and artificial intelligence and machine learning data analysis. Here comes our business model canvas. It comprises of segments, key partners, key resource, key activities, value proportion, channel, customer segments, customer relationship, cost structure, revenue stream. Key partners. The major investors and partners of Pfizer are Postera Press Release, Leon Bio Press Release, Homology Medicine Press Release. Key activity. The promoting activity are innovative breakthrough in a wide range of research area. Key resource manpower, tangible and intangible resource, major resource for Pfizer. Value proportion. Their core value are commitment to global health, transparency, patience on health policies. Customer segments. The customer segments are planned to expand to other medical field where transfer of medical records in requirements. Customer relationship. The relationship between customer and organization is very important. Pfizer treat in such a way that better knowledge to customer. Channel. Social media, website and blog provides detailed information about this activity. Revenue stream. The revenue comes from technological innovation, technical supports, and cost structure. Cost structure is designed in such a way that marketing share developing websites. Let's see in detail about value proportion. Commitment to global health, position on health policies, transparency, contribution and partnerships. Here are the stock information of Pfizer. Key partners Postra, Springworks, Lion Bio Press Release, Vibert Therapeutics. That's all about BMC. Thank you.